Asking, my name is Thomas. Today is March 13, Wednesday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Today's lunch choices are double cheeseburger, fresh salad bar, and a grab and go. And your sides are baby carrots, fresh whole apple, and milk.
Our boys soccer team has an away game today. Go to Mulaski.org and check the announcement slideshow for games, time, and location. If you see them in the hallways, wish them good luck.
Good morning, Mulaski. The third quarter is ending this Friday. And what does that mean? That means all Pride tickets need to be turned in order to count for who's going to win the third quarter house prize. Good luck to all teams. Get them all in by Friday, guys.
Varsity cheer for 2019-2020 school year.
Mandatory parent meeting for varsity cheer tryouts next Wednesday, March 20th at 6 p.m. in the Little Theater.
Parents must attend or you may not try out.
If you have any questions, see Mrs. Hargrader in room 720 or Miss Newsom in 623.
Thursdays we start our day with our house team and advisory period. Show your Mulaski house pride and wear your team colors every Thursday.
Which team will dominate the halls with their team colors?
If you need some extra help with your math or ELA classwork, we offer tutoring before and after school.
Tutoring is available to any student at any time who follows these guidelines.
In the morning, you need to get a pass from an administrator or from the front office. You will sign in each morning in the front office and then go directly to the tutoring room.
If you plan to stay for tutoring after school, you must be in the tutoring room by 2:20 and plan to stay there working until 3:20.
Go to Mulaski.org for more information.
We do not have a late bus today, so please make sure you get to your bus immediately after the 6th period bell.
And to today's MVP, have a great day.